straining your eyes while squinting through a tiny, old-school glass loop just to hunt for microscopic mint errors on a coin, inspect a piece of estate jewelry, or check the trichome development on your garden plants is an absolute chore that quickly leads to severe neck cramps and headaches. Trying to share what you are looking at with your kids, a client, or a fellow collector usually means passing a shaky magnifying glass back and forth, completely losing the exact spot you were trying to show them. The TOMLOV P10 Handheld Digital Microscope completely rescues you from that microscopic frustration, packing a brilliant, built-in 2-inch shareable LCD screen into an ultra-portable, 3.9-ounce pocket companion that turns anyone into an instant detail expert. This clever little powerhouse delivers a fixed 100X magnification paired with a 4X digital zoom, making it incredibly simple to use. You just slide it over flat sample or hold it a mere fraction of an inch from an object to pull up a crystal-clear, micron-level live view without any tedious manual focusing required. To ensure you never miss a hidden detail or imperfection, the lens is surrounded by a dual lighting system featuring 4 dimmable white LEDs for bright, true-to-life clarity, and 4 specialized UV lights that are perfect for verifying currency authenticity or inspecting gemstones. It operates as a fully integrated digital workstation, boasting a 16-megapixel camera that captures stunningly sharp photos directly to its internal memory, while a plug-and-play USB connection lets you link it up to a PC or Mac for a massive, real-time view on a larger monitor. Powered by a convenient rechargeable battery that frees you from annoying cords and wall outlets, it is the ultimate grab-and-go gadget for supervised STEM science discovery with the kids, detailed field research, or professional coin and jewelry appraisals on the move. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this to inspect error coins, jewelry, or garden plants. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more practical tech, hobby, and outdoor gear reviews, and I will see you in the next video.